In this video, I'm gonna talk about key features of local pref. So if you are trying to memorize all the BGP path attributes and you are using the mnemonic that I talked about in the previous video, L is the L in WALA or WLLA, right? So that L is for local pref. And of course, I got this table here from a book that I'm reading called ccnp Routing and Switching Route 300-101 Official Cert Guide by Kevin Wallace. So we got feature and description. So number one is local pref a PA? And it is a PA, meaning that it can be used by other vendors, for example, Juniper or Arista. Purpose identifies the best exit point from the AES. So so identifies the best exit point from the AES to reach a certain destination or to reach a given prefix, right? Just reading this is not complete here. So basically it influence the outbound traffic. And scope is throughout the AES in which it was set. So its scope is just throughout the AES. It's not range 0 through billion. I'm not going to read this number. Which is better? Higher values are better. Default 100, and you with local pref you can define a new default. So you just have to use this command here, BGP default local preference, and then the value BGP subcommand. So meaning that you can configure this command under the BGP, under the router BGP command. Configuration through the neighbor route, through the neighbor route map command. In option is required for updates from an eBGP peer. So basically, you can configure it using a route map, and of course, before you can, you have to create an access list first to specify the routes that you wanna influence or you wanna manipulate, and you create a route map, and then you call that access list, and then you set the local pref. Higher values are better. So and then you apply that route map inbound or in the inbound direction. So yeah, that's it for key features of local pref. Thanks for watching. Bye.